Kolkata, city of joy. Look at the skyline of the city. Despite acknowledging the escalation in Kolkata's urban development, hardly anyone seems to notice nearby wetlands, the East Kolkata wetlands. On the issue of characteristics and importance of the East Kolkata wetlands to the ecosystem, it is claimed by the environmentalist that these wastewater bodies and fisheries act as a carbon dioxide sink and helps to improve the air quality of Kolkata. No doubt, the slogan of 2010 World Wetland Day, caring for wetlands in answer to climate change, should become the appropriate objectives of the world. Any loss of wetlands, therefore, will have a negative impact on the overall environmental condition of the area. The East Kolkata wetlands are vital for maintaining microclimate condition of the region. The East Kolkata wetlands also provide a habitat for a variety of flora, fauna, including birds and living organisms. The East Kolkata wetlands have been so important both in terms of providing livelihoods and products as well as in making use of a natural source of water that no one wants to see the system collapse. The East Kolkata wetlands act like sponges, soaking up excess water from flood rainwater and also absorbs substantial amount of energy from incoming waves. Due to the usefulness and importance of the ecosystems of these wetlands of East Kolkata, they have been designated as a Ramsar site in November 2002 by including 12,500 hectares of these wetlands in the Ramsar list, making it a wetland of international importance. The East Kolkata wetlands are a popular picnic and recreational site where ecotourism has been launched. The local fishermen and their families provide the tourists with services like boating, catering, hospitality for a reasonable charge. By these efforts at conservation, the ecosystem will be taken care of while also sustaining the community. Green spaces, flora and fauna of the East Kolkata wetlands provide an escape from the crowded city life and help to reduce stress. Just remember, we give wastewater to wetlands and instead of that we get food, livelihood, purified and natural water as well as fresh air. As the Kolkata's population, industrialization, urbanization are on the rise, it is quite possible that these valuable wetlands will be encroached upon. By conserving the East Kolkata wetlands, we not only protect the health of the environment but also our own health and that of future generations as well. Let us dream of the day when the people will realize and appreciate the true value of the East Kolkata wetlands.